let me introduce to us two websites where you can get help whenever you are in need. Financial help. It can be hospital bill, it can be school fees, it can be house rent, it can be settling your bill when you want to travel out. Okay, when you want to travel, it can be financial help. It can be help when you want to travel. Okay, let me introduce to us these two websites where you can get urgent help from rich people, from passionate people, from people that want to help. Okay, this one, no matter the country you are, in Nigeria, anywhere in Africa, in Ghana, South Africa, you are guaranteed. Okay, it's a sure link. You get help from these two websites. Let's dive right into it. My name is. If this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to start taking actions, so that first come, first serve. Alright? Please, all these videos, make sure you are taking actions. Don't just watch them and go. Okay? Take actions. Where you need to sign up. Where you need to apply. No one knows the one that will favor you, the one that will bring you breakthrough. Just apply and believe in God and also pray. Alright, let's dive right in it. Don't forget to like this video and most importantly, share it. Share it to your friends, share it in your Facebook, share it in your Instagram, share it in your TikTok, share it in your WhatsApp. You don't know who this video can help. People are really in need. Please help me share this video. You need to go around. Okay, let's dive right into it. So the name of the first website that we are going to talk about now is called Changer. So this is how the website looks like. I've really seen people getting help from this website. Okay, look at it. 73,828 fundraising campaign started. As in, people have started the fundraising already. Okay, supporters 1,348,287 supporters are in this website. What are you doing? What are you waiting for? Please go and apply. Go and apply. So many people are here ready to support, ready to help. Okay, if you have enough money, you can also help people. But if you don't have enough money, you are in need, you need people to help you, please just apply today and help me share this video so that others can see it and they will apply to get help. If you don't need help, share it to other people that need help. Alright, so they say YM Changer. Okay, it's an easy setup and management. Easy setup and management. Is globally. It's not only in US and UK. Is people from Nigeria here are getting help. People from Ghana, people from South Africa, worldwide. Is globally, wherever you are in the world, as long as you are alive, you can get help from this website, M Changer. So what are you waiting for? Please, if you are really in need of financial support, please apply sharply. Okay, there are 3 steps you need to go. So number 1 is create your fundraiser. Okay, create your fundraiser. It will take only 2 minutes. Just tell us a few details about you and what you are raising fund for. Tell them what you need the money for. You need for school fees, you need to travel out, you are looking for money to eat. It's very important. Don't tell them you need money to buy hair or you need money to buy car. They are raising money for people that are in need. Okay? Not money to make you rich. People that are in need. Maybe you are a student, no money to pay your school fees. If you apply, they will help you. Okay? Number 2 thing you need to do, share your fundraiser with your supporters. Just share the fundraiser with your supporters. Supporters are those people that will raise the fund for you. Okay, you need to share it. All you need to do is constantly share the fundraiser with your friends, family and online community. In no time, support will start. You share your fundraiser with the community. Share your fundraiser with the website. That's what they mean. Once you share it, the supporters are already there. They will see it and help will come. Manage your fundraiser. View your progress. So guys, the second website where you can get free money, where you can get help when you are in need. This one is especially for people that want to japa, for people that want to travel and they don't have the financial support. They don't have money to make their travel. So this website is a sure link. This website is the best website where you can get financial support from. Okay, they are helping people make their journey. So all you have to do in this website, the name of the website is Fund My Travel. So the link, these 2 websites, their link will be below this video. So you don't need to start going anywhere before you go to the wrong website. Click on the link below this video and start getting help. Or you can as well go to your browser and type fundmytravel.com and the page will look like this. The page will look like this. And you click on start fundraising. Okay, you click on start fundraising. Okay, let's start with the basic of your funding page. Get people excited about your campaign. Insist. To so country, and you don't have money and you need to make the travel. That is why you need the money. Tell them, make it exciting and informative. So your reason should be exciting and informative. You are not hiding anything because you need help. When you need help from people, you don't need to hide anything. Just tell them what you need and what you are doing with the money. After that, you choose. Tell us where you from, your country, and select the currency. Then this is where I had little problem, because I also wanted to apply, but the problem here now is when they say select your country. My country where I am now, Nigeria, is not here, not included. I don't know what Nigeria did to the world. I don't know. Look at where Nigeria is supposed to be now. It's not there. Nigeria is not here. So wherever country you are from, or you are, if you are in America, United States, wherever country, UK, any country you are that is not Nigeria, you can check if your country is there and you apply. You are good to go. Alright, you select your country. How long are you fundraising? How long do you want them to be giving you money? You save it. That's scared. Before you know it, they will start sending you money. Please subscribe to this channel. I talk more and a lot of how to make money online. If that's what you want to achieve, if that's the reason you click on this video, please subscribe. Put on your notification bell. I upload videos, like 2 videos every week, so that whenever I upload any video, YouTube will notify you and you start taking action. And like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends, share it in your social media handle, so that people that need this help, they will find help. You know, when you help people that are in need, you will never lack help. Whenever you are in need, you will receive help. Please help me share this video, okay? Namaste. Share. Bye. I love you.